Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the environment variables on your Windows 10 device or Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result, should go back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by up at the top right to large icons, and then go down and select user accounts. On the left panel, select where it says change my environment variables, and then that's all you have to do. Everything should be in here. You can modify it, edit it, or add new ones. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.